Good morning, students. In the previous class, we studied the uses of various metals, and today we are going to continue with the same. First and foremost, today we'll deal with magnesium. What kind of a metal is magnesium? Magnesium is a silvery white metal. Now, what are the uses of metal magnesium? Magnesium is used in fireworks since it burns with a dazzling white light. Secondly, it is used in the preparation of alloys used for making parts of aircrafts, machinery, and household appliances. I'm sure you are aware of the term alloys. Alloys means it's a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or metal and a non-metal. Thirdly, it is used in the extraction of metals such as uranium and titanium from their salts. Calcium, the chemical symbol is capital C small a. Calcium is a silvery white metal. It is the most abundant metal in the human body. That means we human beings, we have abundant calcium in our body. Now, what are the various uses of calcium? Calcium is used in many alloys for special uses. Alloyed with lead, it is used as sheets for telephone cables. Secondly, calcium carbonate, it is a salt, is used in the manufacture of glass, cement, washing soda, etc. Thirdly, calcium chloride is used as a drying agent. That means it can absorb moisture. Number 4, marble. Chemically, it is calcium carbonate, is used for making buildings, statues, etc. And lastly, chalk. Chemically, it is calcium carbonate, is used as a pigment in materials such as ceramics and paints. It is also used for making lime and Portland cement. Now, metals like gold and silver, these are very precious metals, really very costly. Mostly they are used for making jewelry. Both gold and silver are precious metals. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Not only they are good conductors of heat and electricity, but these metals are highly ductile and malleable. Now let us discuss the uses of gold and silver. First, gold and silver are used to make jewelry and coins. Next, they are used for making artificial teeth and filling teeth cavities. So the dentist, they use this particular metal. Number 3, as gold can reflect infrared radiation, its thin films are used on satellites to control temperature. And lastly, silver is used for making electrodes and in electroplating. We have already discussed mercury in the previous class. Even then, I'm going through it once more. The chemical symbol is Hg. Mercury is a heavy, silvery, white metal. It is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is used in thermometers, barometers, and sphygmanometers. That is, doctors, they use it for measuring blood pressure. It is used as an amalgam, for instance, silver amalgam, in dental fillings. And last of all, it is used in mercury vapor lamps for lighting purposes. Platinum. The chemical symbol is capital P small t. Platinum is a very heavy precious metal. It has a very high melting point and has good resistance to corrosion. Platinum is used for making electrodes and crucibles used in the laboratory. Now, electrodes means is the uh, rod that is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, which we call anode, and the other one, which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, is called cathode. These are generally made of platinum because it is inert in nature. Secondly, it is used for making jewelry and watches. And last of all, it is used as a catalyst in a number of chemical processes, for example, in hydrogenation and petroleum refining. Now we discuss tungsten. Tungsten, the chemical symbol is W. This particular metal was discovered by a scientist from Sweden. His name was Wolfram. So the symbol allotted to this metal was W. Tungsten is a very strong metal. What are the uses of tungsten? Tungsten is used as filaments in electric bulbs. Now why it is used? Because it has very high melting point. Tungsten melts at a temperature of around 3410 degrees Celsius. Number two, tungsten carbide is used to make abrasives and carbide cutting tools. And last of all, tungsten, when it is mixed with steel, it increases the hardness and strength. So the tensile strength of the alloy increases. And the last of all is antimony. The chemical symbol is Sb. Antimony is a lustrous, silvery, bluish-white metal. It is brittle in nature. That means on hammering it will break into pieces. What are the uses of antimony? Number one, when mixed with lead, antimony improves in strength and is used in automobile batteries. Second, it is used as a type metal. For in the press, they use this particular type metal for printing purposes. Number three, combined with tin and lead, antimony is used in machine bearings. Combined with tin, antimony is used in utensils. And last of all, antimony is used in solder. Highly purified antimony also is used in semiconductors and in electronics. Now this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I expect all of you to revise the lesson, watch the videos very closely, and then answer the questions that are given in the assignment. Thank you. All the best.